I was going through my Canva and I found the Font Studio in the apps. And so I was playing with it a little bit here that you can see, but let's get started. I'll go home here and this is my Canva account. I do have the Canva Pro. So I am going to go here to custom size and I like to use 8.5 by 8.5 inch. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the apps icon here down to the left here, and I am going to go to your apps. You will probably have to search the Canva apps. I already had used it, so I've got it saved on mine. So it is called Font Studio. So it looks like this. And then it comes in, and I'll go back here, and it's got a bunch of fun things that you can do with these fonts. But here you can see that it says premium on some of these. Those you do have to pay another fee for, but there are there are a lot that do not say premium by them, like this happy here. And you can change the text to whatever you want. I just happen to be writing Sunday Fun Day, but it's really easy to change it here. I'll do Sunday Fun Day again. So you can go ahead and do that. And then I'll add the image to the page here. And then, of course, you can make it bigger, smaller, whatever you want to do. You can add other things to it. So I'll start another page here and I'm going to go back where it says edit here. And let's find another one. This playtime is another one that I'll change that to playtime. Oops, see if I can type here. Playtime. And again, you can add that to your design. You can change the words to anything you want. Let's see here. Baby's room. Oops. Baby's room. Ooh. There we go. So I'll add that to the design as well, just so that you can see it. Now I'll add another page and we'll go back. I'm not going to use any of these premium designs here, but this is a cute one. I actually had written softball with this one earlier and it looked pretty cool. So you can add that to the design. You can also change the colors. So let's go in here. You can change the color, by doing things like this with it, but it's actually changing the one up here, not the one here. So let's delete this and we will work on this one up here and I'll add it to the page. And you can see that there are a lot of things that you can do. Um, so let's go and find another one. Let's add another page here and go back. There are a lot of really good designs in here. I thought this one was really neat, this cool breeze. So let's change this to ocean view, or you could do lake life or just lake, but actually it's ocean, but it's very beautiful. So you can see the design in there. It looks really good. There are so many things that you could do with these. So let's try another one here, and then we'll add some other things to it. There were a couple that I thought were really cute. They looked kind of retro. So let's see if I can find them here again. Let's see. Go up here. This one is really could be used for anything. Let's change the word here to gamer life. I thought this would be really, really good on like a Tumblr or something. It's pretty neat, a pretty neat look to it. So I'll just put that up here. We'll go back and add some images to that as well. But I thought I seen some retro ones here earlier. I guess disco is a retro one, but that wasn't the one that I was playing with before. Let's see if I can go here and find it from a previous one that I had looked at here. I made these out of it. I thought they looked so cute. I use the word oldie but goodie. Let's see. But there are so many. You can keep scrolling. Most of these down here now are premium. but there are so many that aren't premium. So let's go find another one. There's plenty for me that aren't premium because I usually do my own fonts, but here's Game Over. That's kind of cool just in itself. So if you were doing something for a gamer, you could add that to the design, and then I'm gonna Control C and Control V it up here by Gamer Life, so you could do a Tumblr with all kinds of um, game images, and then we could go back. We'll go to something else here in a minute, but we'll add designs to these as we go. Sorry, I'm just kind of excited about this. This is really fun to use. These block letters are great here. So let's go and change the word here. I don't even know what to put. Game over. That's just such a good words to have in there. Let's do timeout. So you could add that to the design. So you get the idea of how this works here. So now let's go up and add a few items to this. So we're going to go back and we're going to go to our elements here, and I'm going to put in um, some games, yard games. Let's see what comes up here. And like I said, I do have the pro account. So a lot of these, if they have the pro crown here, I can use them because I do have the pro account. All right, so let's put croquet on here because that's always a Sunday fun day thing to do. And so our cornhole games, they're always fun. So you could make an invitation to have a yard party or something on, like that as well. You could do pickleball or whatever, but that would be a fun way to add things to an invitation or something, if you're having a party. Baby's room, softball. So we could go here and find a softball and add that. I'll add this in, and then let's go and see if we can edit this picture at all. So yes, let's change this color and kind of go with that pink, and then we'll change the red and go with that purpley color. And it's not going to let me change the color of the softball. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to edit, and I'll look for duotones here. You could find something like this and change the color of your softball and bring that in and make something fun with that as well. Make this bigger, center it a little bit, and then move the softball. Whoops, I got two softballs there. Must have duplicated it. So you can bring this in and make it bigger, or get it to fit on your page. So you see, you get the idea of how you do this. So let's see if we can get this more of a pink color. There you go. Matches a little bit better. So now let's change these here. See if I can change that. Ooh, that's not what I wanted to do. I was looking for the strings there, but you get it. So let's go here now, and we'll move this up. Get it up here. And now I will add find a boat for fishing. Boat. Let's do a sailboat. So you could do just about anything that you want to here. Let's put this in the back and see what we can do with that. Bring this up. Even bring it into the photo itself. But anyway, you're getting the idea of how this works so that you can add designs and images to make them your own and create some really fun things. So let's go here and put gamer in and see what we get for images. All kinds of fun stuff here. So put a little Pac-Man in there. That looks really cool, actually. Put that there. I'm going to take this game over out and move this in. And this is just super fun. There's so many things that you could add to this as well. Get this controller over here. But you're getting the idea. And then you could add a background to this and make a whole Tumblr look out of this by going to Elements and find background, gamer background. Let's see what they come up with for that. Whoops. Graphics here. Oh, let's see. I put something like this in the background. And we'll send it to the back. This is pretty see-through, so that one's not going to work. But you get the idea here. So I just wanted to do a short video to introduce you to, let's find the app back here again, FontStudio. So I hope this helped and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.